knows where I'd be without you. No, I just couldn't be without you. I'll just say amen. I can't count them on one hand, but honey, look there on your finger. I'd say I'm a lucky man. God made two lovers out of strangers. A little house on a little land, a little creek, a little jeep. Same old moon everybody sees. It sure ain't hard to count your blessings. Hey everybody, this is Blaze Blaze Guitar Lessons. Today I'm going to teach you how to play Blessings by Florida Georgia Line. It's a great song. Thanks to everyone who's subscribed, and if you haven't already, please do hit subscribe and the like button. Alright, so let's get into it. Standard tuning, capo on the 4th fret. Alright, so this song it's great. It's gonna be pretty easy in the chord progression. Okay, so we're gonna start with C. Okay. And then you're going to do G over B. So that's I just think it's easy to switch to that by just putting your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the A string, and then putting your pinky, you can use any finger, but I think it's easiest to use your pinky on the 3rd fret on the little E string, okay? So that's how it sounds, okay? So that's G over B, then A minor, okay? That's a pretty easy one. Then G6, and all that is you're doing this G, but you don't use your pinky, okay? So it's like that. Here's the difference. All right, so that's G6, so ring finger on the 3rd fret on the big E string, and then put your middle finger on the 2nd fret on the A string, okay? And just let the rest ring out. Okay, that's G6. Then you're gonna use F. Okay, you're supposed to bar it. If you have a hard time, just don't bar it, just kind of touch that top string, all right, and still put your middle one down here, okay? It'll sound better if you do that because you can play the whole thing, okay? So that's F, and then I think those are the chords that you're going to use, all right? So let's get into it. So here's the order for it. So the intro, you're going to start with C, G over B, A minor, G6, F, G. Okay. All right. Now you're going to use the same. Now you're going to use different chord progression for the chorus, but that's how you start the intro. And I believe that's the same for the first verse. I'll walk you through that in just a second. But I want to show you the strumming pattern first. Okay. So it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay. Try that again. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you end it on G. So that's the intro. C, G over B, A minor, okay, G6, F, and then G. And that's the intro. Now let's walk you through the first verse. I think it's the exact same. So we're gonna do C. C is first time I met you. So on met is when you do G over B. Met you, knew I'd never. Never is A minor. Could forget you. Forget you is G6. Get you, girl. You always. Always is F. Always has all the blue skies past the rain clouds. Rain clouds is G, all right? Rain clouds in my eyes. Then you start over and do the same thing, say, okay, same exact chord progression. So you do that twice for the first verse, okay? So now let's go to the chorus. It's gonna be a different chord progression. You're gonna start with A minor, and then G over B, all right? Now if you really struggle with the G over B, just do G instead. Okay, I mean it's very similar. It's actually just you just don't put that ring finger on, but it should be easier. But so A minor, G over B, C. Okay, that's how you start. And you're gonna do A minor, G over B, C a second time, and then you're gonna like strum it out right there. Okay, it's the same strumming pattern except for right there. So let's walk you through that first part of it. So it's A minor. Lord knows where I'd be. B is G over B, so that's an easy way to remember it. So A minor. Lord knows where I'd be. G over B without you. Then C. No, I just couldn't be without without you, and then you do a quicker rotation from doing that same thing, okay, progression. So you go, I'll just say amen. Okay, so you're going to do amen. You can do it either way. All right, just like that. Amen. And then so you let it ring out and slow down, and then you're going to go to F. Okay, then it's I can't count them on one hand. Hand is F. Hand. But honey, look there on your finger. Finger is G6. Finger, what I'd say, I'm a lucky man. F. So man is where you play F. God made two lovers out of strangers. So strangers is G6 again. Strangers, a little house on a little land. So land, all right, is where you do A minor. Land, a little creek. Creek is G over B. Creek, a little Jeep. Okay, Jeep you do C. Jeep, same old moon everybody sees. So at the end of everybody you do F. Okay, C's. And then G6. Okay, G6 is it sure ain't hard to count your. Okay, so that's what you do through that, and then when you go blessings, then you're going to play G, G over B, A minor, G6, F, G. Okay, so then you go back into the intro and verse. Okay, so when you do blessings, okay, that's where you do those chords. So I'm just going to walk you through the chords real quick for the chorus. A minor, then G over B, okay, C, and then repeat that. So you do that twice, A minor, G over B, C. Okay, and you're going to let it ring out there for a second, and then you're going to go, I can't count them on one hand, and then you do F, okay, then G6, then F, so it's F, G, F, and then you do G6. All right, then you're going to do A minor, G over B, C, and then F, G6, C. Okay, and then you go back into the intro / verse, okay? So that's the whole song. Pretty easy. Let me know if you guys have any questions. It's a great song. I thought I would share it with you guys on this Sabbath day. So I hope you guys really like it. I hope we're all grateful for our blessings in this time of COVID-19 and all the craziness that's going on. So let me know if you have any questions or requests for new songs. And thanks, guys. It's been fun. I'll see you next time.